Top 5.
High-quality outdoor wall lantern, made of sturdy metal construction in a black finish, clear ribbed glass shade. Can be easy to match with another decoration style. Ideal for porch, patio, garden, corridor, balconies, terraces, garage door, villa, open field, entryway. Waterproof, weather-resistant and rust-resistant, this outdoor wall sconce is ideal for residential or commercial use, able to protect against harsh weather conditions.
Top 4.
Features study metal constructions, suits for wet locations, idea for outdoor environment. Indoor/outdoor compatible, suitable for any environment, this lamp will enhance your exterior decoration and at the same time provide sufficient light evenly to a garden, yard, porch, and any exterior living area in darkness.
Top 3.
Wonderful ambient lighting. Hykolity 20 watts LED outdoor wall sconces are decorative wall-mounted fixtures that provide uplight and downlight for building entrances and perimeters. This wall sconce light fixture provides 1,400 lumens at 3000 K warm white for the perfect lighting mood. This up-down light is rated over 50,000 hours of use, that's about 23 years at 6 hours/day. Hykolity's 5-year warranty means we got you covered. Contact us if any issue arises.
Top 2.
20 watts LED integrated wall light. This LED integrated wall light is equivalent to a 120 watts incandescent, effectively avoids the trouble of frequent replacement of bulbs. And the integrated design greatly increases the waterproof effect. This waterproof wall light is ETL and Energy Star listed for high quality, making it eligible for state and nationwide rebate programs. You also can enjoy a 5-year warranty from the date of purchase, without any worrying about after-sales service at all.
Top 1.
Dusk to dawn photocell porch lights, turn night into light, automated turns on at sundown/night, off at sunrise/daytime, helps saving money. Made of heavy-duty rugged aluminum, designed with seated glass panels, even in rainy/snowy days, this dusk to dawn sensor wall lantern will not get rusty or corrosion after years of use. Check the description below on where to buy it.